guys, welcome to an uncomprehensive real-world review of the Panasonic GX85. Right now we're sitting in Grilled, where my brother works. And we're not in the best lighting, there's literally just stage lights, but this camera can see absolutely everything. But what we're doing is we're just taking out how I would shoot with it, and so far, there's a thing down there when I'm filming with this or the 6T. It's quite incredible. The stabilization and it's awesome. Also, keep an eye on what Sophie does during these clips because she makes really weird faces sometimes. Anyway, yeah, we're at Surfers Paradise, obviously. Like, best place for us to film. Anyway, let's get on with the review. And with this food, I'm keen on this food. GX85 doesn't have a flip screen, obviously. It like has a beefy old screen on the back, so I can't see myself. I don't know if I'm in focus. That's a big issue. There is things like the G7 that I can get, which is the same, but just different sizes, like larger, but like same. So, no. But anyway, yeah. So that's the sort of form factor. It's like easy, but no flip screen. No flip screen. So yeah, like, I'm looking through it through the flip screen on my camera. That's on my TV. So that's like full flex. I can change the lenses on this though, so that's good. I'll probably just get a body only at some point, if I get something. Yeah, I'm just testing it. I'm just testing it. So just there, trying to film that last clip with both of them, I was struggling with the minimum focus distance. So I was actually zoomed in to probably like 18, so probably like 30 mil full frame. And on this, I couldn't get that close because the minimum focus distance is almost like an arm's length. So another advantage. Also, like, look at the size. This is the same equivalent lens other than aperture. Look at the size of this lens. It's so small. Anyway, we finished eating. Let's now head out there and get some crispy shots in. Alrighty, so that looks cool. That's just rain on the lens. This is unfortunate. It's like, I'll show you the radar right now of like what is going on. So there's like the lightest, most annoying rain coming through at the moment. Yeah, have a look at this radar. Can't see it. Look at that. It's just like all the way over there is white. I know, right? It's so weird. But like, I can't do anything about it. It's like backing on, coming on, coming off. Also, those like copper choppers is what I call them, and like a car that was just running along. So there's something going on out there, but yeah. I don't know, people are still like in at the markets and stuff because rain ain't stopping nobody, but it's kind of stopping us. This is how people die. Do they not realize that there's like a billion bull sharks like right on their doorstep? Those people like right there. Yeah, the winds are picking all the blue bottles in, so that's smart of them. Okay, that umbrella is cute, eh? Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, we're walking up to where we're getting chips now. And I was recording, but I wasn't. So that's another thing. I need a flip screen. I can't deal with not having one. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know. The beach markets are on, but it has just started like spitting to rain a little bit, and that focus was very slow. Yeah, it's just starting to spit to rain. But anyway, let's get chips and let's do this.
in March, so.
Okay, this is another straight up vlogging test. Just stand here for a sec. I have no idea if this is focused or not. Is it focused?
Yeah.
Is it like actually? It's
in
trying.
And out. In and out.
It's trying. There's no light around here. Those
light
birds.
all right?
Hold on, this way. Yeah, no, light's fine, but it needs more. So the focusing in this camera is based on contrast. Now, since there's not much contrast, there you go. It's probably focusing now. See if that's focusing?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's based on a contrast focusing system, unlike the 6D Mark II, which is phase detect. So the contrast needs some form of light to focus, which sometimes it doesn't have.
Say my name.
Turn your lights on!
This window up.
There you go, good boy. Anyway, so yeah, the beach markets are pretty quiet this evening, basically because it was raining, and apparently no one likes to come out in the rain. That focus is alright. I'm getting it as much light as I really can. It's not the quickest, but yeah, so the markets aren't that much at the moment. The birds that you just saw, I've taken photos for the guy in there before, for like free obviously, because he let me in and he's pretty sick. They're like the friggin' most beautiful birds, hey, and like they're like just chilling. It's the Forry guy.
Forry.
So yeah, we're probably gonna head off now. As I said, this was like a real world review, not comprehensive at all. But there will be some more things coming in the near future, some more Canon related things that I'll be getting in off of loan from Canon, blah blah blah. That'll be awesome. The first video to come will be 16 to 35 2.8 versus the 11 to 24 f4, as in like a wide angle showdown. Anyway, we're gonna head off now. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Go see another video and goodbye!